this is the first travel during the pandemic, and fingers crossed. We did me and my friend traveling. I'm just going there to pick her up. We needed to get our COVID tested because Meghalaya wants a COVID negative report. At this present, it's almost end of March. What they're looking for is if your two tests are actually acceptable. One is of course the RT-PCR if you have done it within 72 hours of your entry in Meghalaya, or RAT, that is the rapid antigen test, if you have done that within 42 hours of entry, rather within the 42 hours of the test results, you have to enter Meghalaya. These are the two preconditions that you have, and you also have to register yourself on a particular site in the Meghalaya state government site, where you actually let them know that you are visiting Meghalaya so that they have it on record. So these are the few basics, and anyone who's traveling should actually before travel be really sure and check the websites, because these rules keeps on changing. We booked our tickets maybe 10 days back, and now when we look at it, there's a new guideline that came up and we complied to those new guidelines. Okay. This is Purvi and Titli. So we are going to Shillong. So what do we need for that? Of course, yeah. Passport? It's in India.
No, we need a COVID test passport.
Yes, you need your COVID negative results, and that works like your passport. Yes, so we have it. We tested ourselves. We are negative. That's a good thing.
Yes.
And we are on our way to the airport. To reach Meghalaya, to reach Meghalaya, you can actually take two routes. One is Guwahati.
Yes, but we are taking the other one.
The shortest one, because we don't have much time, so we are directly going to Shillong. Instead of Guwahati. It's a 4 hours drive from Guwahati to Shillong. So we are avoiding that. We are cutting it down to 1 hour drive.
See you soon.
I got no money, like it or not, I'm funny. Still in searching of my destination. I like to party, living my way is arty. All I offer is my reputation. Hey, let's walk this way. This party will rock every minute stolen. If you wanna be my midnight mover, you blow my mind, and it would be kind of a groovy story. If you wanna be my midnight mover.
this is a local fruit. इसका नाम क्या है? Sosha. Okay. Purvi, would you give it a try? After tea, some khatta.
Oh my god.
And you will die.
Why it is that khatta?
I don't know. I haven't tasted yet.
Corna. I mean just chakechi.
Okay, let me try. Hold the camera then.
Record hoche to?
Yeah. Trying this. It's pretty tangy. Very tangy.
Local fruit, Sasha.
Yeah. Not bad, but very tangy for my taste. Yeah. So we are gonna try this. Let's see. Okay, so we have your veg pizza here, Purvi. You like it?
Not yet tasted.
Does it look nice to you? That's the first question.
Looks appealing.
Okay. And I have this Shirley's Temple, which is red soda water. Let's see. Okay. My food is here as well. Okay, that looks saucy. Let's try it. Okay. You go ahead first. Okay. That's the struggle. You're gonna dress up?
Yes, it will take time.
I just can't wait. I'll just dig into my fries.
Is that good?
I don't know what the oil seems different.
How do you know?
It's not regular oil which is used for french fries. It's too different. I don't mind it.
Guessing on the pizza.
Let me try this saucy hot dog. And let this be decent.
Much.
I'm gonna eat it for sure. It tastes like a hot dog.
Tastes like hot dog?